In this video, I am going to show you how to make footers smaller in Wix website. Let's get started. First, you want to scroll down and head to your footer, which is this one. Now, whenever we try to scroll this up or adjust the footer height, it doesn't want to barge in unless we scroll down and make it bigger. We want to make it smaller. The reason for this is whenever we try to scroll this up, something is blocking this one, what we call the footer height, or the one that makes it adjust. So in order for us to adjust it in a way that we want it to be, let's move a few elements. I want to make this very thin, so let's adjust these elements. Now that you adjusted it the way that you want it to be, let's try and scroll this up. If it still doesn't want to barge in, you want to figure out the reason why. The strip is blocking this navigator, so let's move it up. That's about it. That's how to make footers smaller in Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.